Well, she got to the wrong side, but she got back to the wrong side again.
No, the gas tank's on the other side of the vehicle?
The gas tank's on the other side, and she already did this once. She just drove. Okay.
So she knows that now.
Well, this is the second time she's done this. So she should now drive so that it's on the driver's side. The tank is on the driver's side.
The same side as her, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But she pulled a circle last time. No way is she going to do it again. Now she's going to back into the right. Yeah. No, she had it. If she would have... No. Oh, no.
Is she just going to the same...
No, she would have had to pull around... Oh, no.
Does she just not know which side the tank is on? Or does she think she's...
No, she knows. She has to know. She just saw that it's not on the passenger side. Okay, so she's pulled up again on the wrong side. Hang on.
Whoa, that person just whipped in there real quick, like.
Hang on. Is she going to realize it? Does she see it? She walks right past the gas tank. Okay. So now she's got it.
She has to.
So which one is she going to pull into? She'll pull around to
the other side.
Yeah, she'll go to the other side.
Or even this over here.
Yeah, she could back up. She could back up and get into it.
Okay.
What's she doing? She's pulling around. Okay.
Great. She's not.
Oh no. Oh no.
She did it again. There's no way.
No. No, she's pulling. Oh, this. Oh,
she's backing up. Maybe she didn't notice.
No, she's getting out of the car. She's getting out of the car.
Again?
Oh my gosh.
Should you go tell her she's going?
You want me? Should I go help her?
You might want to go help her.
Okay, hang on. No. Just go tell her to back up. Go tell her back up and go the other way. Just tell her.
Okay.
Did she wave at you?
Yeah, I said back up and go the other way, and she waved. So she heard me, I think.
Okay, we'll see if she gets it this time.
She's just gonna back up.
No.
She's literally just gonna back up.
No.
I said and go the other way.
What it?
Like I pointed at the other.
But that doesn't make a difference. What she just did. She's still backing up.
Yeah.
She's still backing up. Wait, there she is.
Yeah. Oh, maybe she did get it.
Okay, so now turn a little bit. Oh, she's turning.
She's turning.
She's turning.
Oh
no.
She's stuck.
Okay. What is... Okay. Pull in.
She do it?
She's doing it? Is she doing it?
She got it? She's getting out? Yeah!
She got it. Okay, hang on. I want to go tell her congratulations.
Do it.